Look at this. All this trash on the ground. The trees. Look at this. Oh my God. This storm's massive. There's a dog in the back of the car going through all this. What dog do? Go! It's windy. I have protection with my glasses. Oh my God! Oh, it's raining now. It's raining. Oh, I better protect my phone. Sick, dude. I need to protect him. Hell yeah. Woo! Look at this. Oh, look. It's going in a circle. That's it. This is awesome to be out there. Yeah, but I'll go back to my football thing. I was out there. I'm waiting for my parents. It's going over.
Here, come right. Yeah,
it's
don't
going
wait
over.
outside. Let me come show you where to wait.
I didn't know it would be that bad.
It wasn't a few minutes ago.
Yeah, I know. It turned like that in 2 seconds. I mean, it went to 60 miles per hour. I'm not even joking.
I know. I was just out there. I was about to go running.
That's not good. I don't know if my
know.
parents can come pick me up now.
Oh, they'll come.